Hello there, my name is Gary Allen from Galway and I'm here to talk to you about the SunLife infrared panels. What you're looking at here is Chester, the North American buffalo, which is a SunLife Art 1050 watt panel. So when I wanted to put some heat into my new home office, I made some inquiries and got a recommendation for infraredheat.ie, and I'm here to thoroughly recommend that you consider this as well. So I called Eamon and he was very, very helpful straight away. He told me exactly what I needed. I needed one of these, I needed two of these rather, which is this one. And also, if I spin around here, you'll also see there's the controller. I'll come to that in a minute. You'll also see another one here, which is another piece of art, which is again a SunLife 1050, a SunLife Art 1050 watt heater. So he told me I needed two of these. So we got the idea that we would put this piece of art or this image printed on or wrapped onto this panel, and this one here that I've just shown you was originally white, just a straightforward panel. However, the previous one came out so good that we thought, no, we have to have both of these as pieces of art. So this is so we took this one down, sent it back, and this is the result. Again, a phenomenal result. Now, does the thing actually work? Well, yes, is the clear answer to that. So I'll go over to the controller here and just show you how this works. They are incredibly efficient, very, very easy to use. And if I know it's a sunny day today, but if I just turn this on, you'll see it's 23 degrees in here right now. And if I go to the consumption here, you'll see that the consumption today has been 2.5 kilowatts, which is basically nothing, hardly anything. I think that was from earlier on this morning. And then you'll see most of the days it's absolutely nothing. So because this just is basically at an ambient temperature all the time and keeps this place toasty warm, and I can shove it up very, very easily. If I just go shove the temperature up really, really easily. If I just go back here and go back to home, I can just go up, down, whatever I want to do there, right? And it'll be, and I can set the timer, internet connected, the whole works. So am I happy with these panels? 1,000,000% happy, and I would thoroughly recommend infraredheat.ie. Thank you.